The main objective for any horse owner is to have a comfortable, active and mobile horse that perform to the best of their ability, whether we require them to compete at a high level or simply provide enjoyment as a leisure or hacking horse. Using stretches can help your horse's flexibility, suppleness, engagement and athleticism, as well as helping to reduce the risk of damage to tendons, muscles and joints. Stretches can be therapeutic and reduce muscle pain and tension, as well as enhancing performance by increasing stride length, improving your horse's coordination and their general body awareness. Remember, to perform any stretch work, the horse must be warm. When connective tissue is cold, it will have low blood saturation, which means it could be more susceptible to injury if stretches are performed. You should never stretch cold muscles. Today we are going to show you a series of active stretches you can do with your horse with a little bit of help from your equine's favourite mini horse licks. Mini horse licks contains vitamins, minerals and trace elements to provide a healthy, nutritious reward for all horses and ponies. Mini horse licks provides the ideal tool for use when performing stretch exercises, because unlike carrots or treats, you have a sustainable reward. Before carrying out stretch exercises, introduce mini horse licks to your horse so that he knows exactly what he is working for. Meet Lola, a 7-year-old Irish Cross Thoroughbred mare who is currently competing at BE 90 level. She has regular massages and chiropractic treatment, but her owner Emma uses stretching exercises to help keep Lola happy and mobile on an everyday basis. Remember, horses can be unpredictable. Only perform these exercises if you are confident that it is safe to do so. The neck extension exercise allows the horse to stretch their neck and release any tension, which is particularly useful when a horse becomes tight in the neck during work. The neck extension also helps to promote good posture and correct vertebral alignment. Without allowing the horse to walk forward, stand in front of him holding the mini horse licks at sternum level and allow him to begin licking the reward. Gradually move backwards with the lick and encourage him to stretch out in front whilst keeping his head straight. Once he has reached as far as he can, hold the stretch for 5 to 10 seconds and repeat up to 3 times. The aim in this stretch is to keep a relaxed top line, which will help support correct back posture. The abdominal muscles and the back should be engaged, which will help with core strength development. Try to keep the horse as straight as possible when performing the neck extension stretch. Some horses will try to step forwards, so enroll the assistance of a friend, or if you are on your own, try doing the stretch over a stable door, chain or rope placed at sternum height. Stretching between the front legs lifts and flexes the withers, neck and back, and is similar to us doing a sit-up. It helps to enhance core stability and encourage strong muscles across the top line and abdominals. Allow your horse to start licking mini horse licks and gradually encourage him to lower his head down and between his front legs. Hold the stretch for 5 to 10 seconds and repeat up to 3 times. This exercise stretches the muscles in the neck, wither and back, flexes the base of the neck, tilts the pelvis and contracts the muscles in the abdominals to lift the back. Some horses may step back, so position your horse close to a wall or carry out the exercise in the stable to discourage him from moving. Don't worry if your horse cheats and bends one of his front legs. As long as the abdominal muscles contract and the back lifts, this will still provide a good stretch. As your horse gets more used to this exercise, you can encourage his head further between the legs to get a deeper stretch. Keep the mini horse licks close to your horse's lips as you carry out this exercise to encourage him to stretch smoothly. Don't be tempted to pull the head collar or lead rope to force the stretch. Simply allow your horse to go as far as he can comfortably. Stretching to either side of the horse lifts and flexes the spine laterally and flexes the base of the neck to help increase the abdominal strength and flexibility through the back. This stretch is particularly useful for improving suppleness through the base of the neck and back, and for building correct posture and improving the ability to bend. Stand with your back against your horse's side and hold the mini horselicks in the hand closest to your horse's tail. Allow your horse to bend his neck to meet the mini horselicks and encourage him to bring his head across your body. Gradually lower the mini horselicks and hold the stretch for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat this up to 3 times. Your horse should flex through the base of his neck and his abdominal muscles should contract to lift and flex the back and create bend through the ribs. His muscles through the neck, wither and back should stretch, making this a whole body stretch. Repeat this exercise on both sides. As your horse becomes more accustomed to this stretch, you can gradually increase the stretch and stand closer to his tail to create a deeper stretch through the neck, back and withers. Maintain a contact with your horse's side to keep you in the correct position. Remember, baited stretches can be used by all because they do not force a horse into a position. However, be careful that you do not put any pressure on the head collar or lead rope and always allow him to stretch within his comfort zone. Stretches help develop core strength, so when initially introducing these exercises into your routine, remember to build slowly and gradually. These exercises are designed to be used as a tool to encourage suppleness in healthy, injury-free equines. They cannot prevent injury. If you are in any doubt as to the benefit to your individual horse, then please seek advice from your vet or therapist. Horselicks does not take any responsibility for inappropriate use or injury sustained through the use of these exercises.